Hey there, creative minds. Are you ready to take your video editing skills to the next level? In this lesson, you'll learn how to customize animation effects to create unique and engaging end credit effects for your videos. Whether you're a filmmaker, a YouTuber, or simply someone who wants to add a professional touch to your videos, this tutorial is for you. I'm inside Canva, and I'm going to show you how to create those end rolling credits. You could also use this method for many other uses, and I'll show you in a few minutes what a few of those might be. First, I'll come up here and click on YouTube video, or just video. Either would work. I want a landscape format video. Canva opens a new page, then I'll go ahead and drag it out to about 20 seconds or so to start. Next, I'll take the page and change the color to black. Now I'll go to text and click on this. I've got a list of names here that I've created. I'll grab those and paste them in here. Plus, I'll highlight them all, make them a little bit smaller and shrink down my page size a little so I can see the whole thing. I'll also add an empty space to the beginning and end. Now, I'll pull this all down. Since I have empty space here, it's still on the page, but I can't see the text. That's exactly what I want. I'll center it. Next, I'll come up here to Animate. Click on that, then click on this B. I'll shrink this down so I can see what I'm doing. Then I'll hold down the Shift key and pull this text up just like that until it goes off the page. You can also change the speed. I think I'll change it to steady to make it better. So let's give it a shot and let's see what we have so far. Another thing I could do is click on those, then go to the spacing and change the line spacing a little bit to make them further apart. So you get the basic idea. The next thing I'll do is come here and make these a little bit bigger. Okay. Now, I'll add something here. So I'll go down to videos and choose a sunset. I'll choose this one and fill the page. So there is our video with our credits. Now there's a lot of different things you could do with this same setup. If you had more names, you could always slow the speed down, make a longer video, and have them all showing. I'll also show you a couple other ideas that you could use this same technique for. You could use this in travel videos, or product videos, cartoons, you name it. I'd like you to think about how you would use this same technique. What kind of video would you make using it? Please share your ideas in the comments below so we can all learn something new. In just a second, I'll show you 2 more examples of different ways you could use this same technique in different niches.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.